for the sake of speed, I've already opened Reaper, which is my DAW, my DAW, and I've already dropped a track, a drumless track of, let me play that for you. Okay, and you can see right here that I've put the click on the track, and I'm about to insert my, this is where I would go to insert my virtual instrument, and that's what this is, my Easy Drummer tune track. You can see down here, I can click on it, and that feeds the DAW. This is the synthesizer, not the synthesizer, but the samples that we were taught about in class. So now I'm going to use the samples. I'm going to play the electric kit, and I'll play it somewhat close, but miss it a little bit so we can quantize it and go on from there. So I'm going to make sure I'm recording. I am. I'm going to record and we'll start going, and I'm only going to tap out a few bars. Okay, so here I have my track of MIDI data. I can go in and we can go back and play it. Okay, so now I'm going to close this down or bring it down out of the way. I'm going to open up a piece of the MIDI data, and this is where everything happens. If I wanted to click on any one of these, you can hear there's the kick drums. And if I wanted to just quantize, I have a quick button here where it's off. I can actually do quantize, and we're going to snap to the grid. I can say selected notes, and I could go around all of it. I can go all notes. If I do all notes, it'll just snap everything. This is the strength. If I wanted to be like a machine at 100%, we don't want that. We're going to take maybe 96%. Fix any overlaps. I'm going to say OK, and you'll watch these move. Okay. Now I've committed and I'm writing it. So now I'm going to go back and play it again. Okay, so real briefly, I created an audio track, brought in an MP3 file, and it was a drumless track. I counted in using the metronome feature. Okay, so you can have the metronome enabled or disabled, and you can tell it how many bars, how many measures, what time. Then I started my MIDI track. I inserted a MIDI track, virtual instruments, and that was my Tune Tracks Easy Drummer. Again, you could do it this way. There's a number of ways you can create your own tracks through Easy Drummer. This is not a commercial for them, so I'll keep moving on. I then selected a section and quantized all the notes, used the grid to snap them to, and that cleaned them basically all the way up. And now they're pretty much lined up right on the grid line. So that's my lesson. Hope you got something out of that. I learned a lot in getting this to work, so it definitely served the purpose that I needed. Thanks, and have a good day.